In this video, we're going to work out the angles in a triangle using the area of a triangle formula. So this question here, I have an area of triangle which is 30 meters squared with side lengths 10 meters and 12 meters, and it wants me to work out the angle x. Now, there's going to be two possible values, because if you take sine of an angle, that's exactly the same as sine of 180 minus that angle. So you could end up with two situations, here and here, where there are different size angles, but both have the same area. So let's go about doing it. So first thing I do is write out the formula, a half AB sine C, remember that from before. Sub my values in, 30 for the area, a half times 10 times 12 times sine of x, that's my angle. Sort out the right hand side, so if I do a half times 10 times 12 is 60. Divide everything by 60 and I get sine x is equal to a half. So to find out what x is, I need to do inverse sine of a half, put that into my calculator, and you can get 30. So that's my first one, that's probably this one up here. Now to find the other one, I do 180 minus that angle, and 180 minus 30 is 150. So they are my two answers.